Welcome back. Now we're going to talk about radio boxes, and to tell you about radio boxes, I've done the same thing. I've just created a new combobox.py file. I have imported the same thing right here, and I have just removed all the non-essential things. Just created a layout, a widget, and set that layout to our layout that we created, and set the widget the central window. Now we're going to create a combo box, so let's create one. I will call it combo. Q combo box is what we imported, and this Q combo box is now created. What do we do next? Well, you can add it to the layout directly. As you can see, it comes from Qt widgets, and now I can actually print this or show this rather. As you can see, this is right here where it has nothing on the screen showing because we have not added any item. So add items is a function that you can use given by combo box, and you can just put in a list. So for example, a difficulty for a game: easy, hard, medium, and if we do this, we can show you how many things there are to select. Now, how do we know what we have selected? Well, let's say I add a button, submit, start, let's say, and I add that button to my layout. Add widget, which is a bdn here. So bdn is my variable that's storing a QPush button, and whenever my button is pushed, I want to show what is the status of my combo box. So let's say dot pressed dot connect self dot show selected. Show selected is a method that I'm going to write, but I'm also going to pass in this combo box because this is what we will be using. So let's use a lambda expression as I showed you, and this combo will be passed. Now let's define that method right here. Show selected takes in self and takes in a combo box. So just print the label that combo box has. So combo dot current text, and this will print whatever the thing that I'm trying to submit. Like easy is currently selected. If I go for hard will be selected, as you can see very clearly. So this is it for a combo box. These are also called drop down menus, and they're used a lot in a lot of places. So if you ever want to take an input, as you know, this is a way of taking input. All that we have studied so far is for input. Radio buttons, checkboxes, combo boxes, they're just taking input from the user. So let's move on and study some other ways we can take input from the user, and then we'll get to Qt Designer and design our interfaces way more easier than writing code like this.